What can you make from these dollar store items? Well, you'd never guess, but you can make this stinkin' cute candy stand for Valentine's Day. I called it Cupid's Candy Shop, and I'm so excited to show you how to make one. You'll need the following supplies. The mini wood crates, candy jars, and dowels are all from Dollar Tree. You'll also need to download the file for the cute store awning from my site. The link is in the video description. The first order of business is to remove the store stickers, then add some wood glue to the side of one of the crates. Place a second crate next to it, then clamp them together and wait for the glue to dry. Once that's secure, run wood glue around the top edge of the third crate, then place it upside down on the top of the two crates that you glued together earlier, like this, and let that dry completely before doing anything else. Use hot glue to attach two wooden dowels to the sides of the crates like this. Then paint everything, and while that dries, let's make the store awning. Grab the file from my site and print it onto cardstock. Then I've got instructions for cutting it by hand and instructions for using a silhouette. So if you're cutting it by hand, line up a ruler with the gray arrows that are printed outside the design. Use a scoring tool to make straight score lines in the 3 places shown. Then cut the 2 pieces out along the outside edges. If you have a Cricut, you're going to have to figure this out on your own, sorry, but if you have a silhouette machine, you're going to open the Design in Silhouette Studio, then turn on the registration marks. Adjust the inset to 0.5, then move the image so it's within all the red lines and not in the crosshatch areas. Hit the send button and then see how there are too many red lines all over the design? To fix that, click where it says line, and then only the outer lines and the dotted lines will show, which is what you want. Adjust your cut settings for cardstock and send it to be cut. Now, no matter how you cut the thing out, the next steps are the same. Fold all the scored lines so they're going away from you. Then we need to attach this small wing piece so that it mirrors the one on the other side. Just line it up and tape it down. Place a piece of tape on the back side of the paper, sticky side up. Then fold it over so it's out of the way while you line up the edges, and once you've got it just right, let go of the tape and press it into place. Do this again for the scalped front piece. Then repeat on the other side. And you should end up with something that looks like this. It should fit perfectly over the 2 dolls, and then you just line it up, make sure it's straight, and tape it into place. The last little detail is adding these cute matching hearts to the lid of the candy jars. Again, I have 2 files for you, one to cut by hand and an SVG file for cutting machines. Print, cut, attach, it's pretty self-explanatory. Then all that's left is to fill your jars and set your display out for all the world to see. You guys, I love this little thing. The kitchen was feeling so empty after taking down my hot cocoa station after Christmas, so this little Cupid's Candy Shop is perfect. You should hear my 5-year-old talk about it. He is delighted. And that right there makes it all worth it. Hope you enjoyed this crafting tutorial. Follow along, you never know what'll come next. Happy crafting!